Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something even more Nissan. We're actually going to turn this boy here into the proper trumpet it deserves to be. You know, VQs, straight pipes, sound like trumpets. We're doing that. We've actually got, it shouldn't be too trumpety. Adam's with me. We're gonna be working on his G35 today. He has purchased these little boys right here. These are the like ISR replica resonated test pipes. Also, just, okay, don't delete your cats. It's illegal. Just have to say that because, you know, the EPA. Don't delete your cats. Do as I say, not as I do.
That part.
Don't delete your cats. It's bad. It's bad for you. The Captain Planet will come to your house and kick your ass. That's exactly what will happen. But
we're still gonna,
yeah, whatever. We're gonna do whatever we want to do. Who says we're not gonna put it back to stock immediately after? We're just doing this to take it to the track right now. That's it. We're just gonna find out if it makes more power on the dyno, and then we're gonna put the cats back in, Captain Planet, so that covers our asses. So what it looks like we're going to have to do first is yank out the intake, take the engine cover off because bolts are way back there on each side. We're gonna have to do some from the bottom. He's throwing a code for a MAF sensor already, so once we take out the intake, I'm actually going to take that and clean it, so hopefully we can get rid of that little misfire he's got, because I don't want to hear a trumpet that's misfiring. That's even worse. like it's bad for this to be trumpety, which it shouldn't be too bad because it has the freaking resonators and it's got a flex joint in it, so that's like super sick. But yeah, let's just start ripping things apart. You know, let's just tear your car apart real quick. Cool.
let's do it.
Okay. First step, remove the engine cover. Next, remove intake, which this is a cold air, so it came right off. And then I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but way down in there is the bolt we're trying to get to on both sides. So it kind of sucks, but if you get enough extensions and a swivel socket, you should be able to get to it. Okay, so with our Frankenstein extensions, I was able to break the first one loose, which I don't know if we're even going to be able to. It's behind the steering shaft. It's really hard to see. All right, guys, so this is the plan of attack we're taking. I have about 14 wobble sockets wobble extensions in line here with a swivel socket on the bottom and a flex head ratchet. Adam is underneath here with a wrench holding the nut on the back side of each one of the flange, because these have been replaced. Your factory ones are going to be 2 studs and a bolt, so these studs have been broken off and replaced, so now we have bolts. So he's got to hold it down there while I hold it up there, and we're just ratcheting these Johnnies out. Like it's really not that difficult. This has aftermarket headers, so the cats or that section of the exhaust has been unbolted before. So we're not having any terrible issues with it seizing up. So this is actually working pretty well. Okay, so the cats are out. So the point of putting in test pipes is to not have a cat anymore until you take out what you think is your cats and somebody got to them before you did. And these Johnnies are empty. Like I mean, you can't see straight through them with the camera, but cats are supposed to have like this hella honeycomb thing through it, right? These have clearly been cut open, decatted, and sewn back up with a welder. So, is it gonna get any louder? Maybe, because we're doing test pipes. It may get a little louder, but I guess we're just fixing your exhaust leak. That's what's happening today. $112 exhaust leak. We just fixed it. I mean, also I found out, so we've done some research. We knew there was an exhaust on the car. Turns out that he has the Greddy Evo 2 exhaust, which is the dual tip, super nice exhaust. And while I was under there, I realized that his headers were not stock either. It's got freaking Nismo headers. You got Nismo headers, dog. That's nice. So now, once we put in your new test pipes, you're gonna have a complete exhaust. Like no stock, nothing. You're gonna have like header to tailpipe, completely custom. So,
sweet.
Yeah, you go full exhaust, AM intake, He did have a super bad misfire and a code for a mass airflow sensor. Why is my ISO so bad today, man? Like, what are you doing, kid? So like, this is such, it's a failure, but it's not a failure, because we found out that you have Nismo headers, and we're replacing everything that caused that nasty exhaust leak before.
Yeah.
Because the gaskets between the actual cat and the freaking rest of the engine, or the rest of the exhaust, this is one of them, and it is just absolutely crunched money.
Yeah, so.
And then this is number 2, absolute freaking garbage. So we have replacements for those. So you're getting something shiny, something with a flex. It's like a win-lose.
Yeah.
It's everybody goes home happy.
Let's not bring the lose situation.
Yeah, no, it's a win. It's a win. It's a win. It's a win. It's a win, dog. You getting new parts put in your car, that's a win. Up top.
It's a win.
Yeah.
Yes,
I just high-fived you without looking. I'm super proud of myself right now. But yeah, guys, we got that crap out. We're just gonna start putting things back together. I know this is supposed to be like a how-to video, but this has been torn apart before. So like, I got random nuts and bolts and like different sizes and craziness. So like, I can't give you a how-to because it's not stock, and people are going to be looking at how to change their stock car. So I'm just bringing you guys along for the ride of the shenanigans and BS that is this right now.
That is this G35.
Yeah. It's cool though. Here we have the ones that are going in. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Much cooler, much cleaner if you put these things side by side. That is so much better. Alright, so the new test pipes are in. Let me tell you guys how much I love exhaust work, and let me tell you how much I love taking, hold on, let me see if I can get it to focus here. See if I can get it to focus. I love taking, come on. Come on. Why? Literally watch it fall. Okay. Yeah. I love. Why? What is up with my lens right now, bro? This is not a good time.
Right. It's on, but it's not fully up, boss.
You almost ready to start it up, man?
Yeah.
Excited?
Huh?
Excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I just gotta put this on.
What's that called? What's that called, Adam?
That's my cold air intake, right?
Oh, the gay yam, baby. We have to get the mass airflow sensor and put it back in. It's inside drying where I cleaned it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I took it in there. Whenever I went in earlier, I took it in there. So, test pipes are in. Now you can clean it with alcohol. So I just cleaned it with alcohol. Yeah. So, test pipes are in. It's bolted back together. He did have a nasty exhaust leak that I never really like picked out before. Like, I never pinpointed it. But we just replaced all the gaskets from the test pipes and the front of the exhaust. So hopefully that will clear that up a little bit. And we got to get the mass airflow sensor in it and get it ready to start back up. So now we got the test pipes in. The intake is back in. Whoever put the dang mass airflow sensor, like actual piece in there last time, put it in upside down, so the sensor's on the bottom. I put it in right side up now, so the plug is right there. We cleaned it with alcohol. So now what we've done is we've just pulled the battery terminal off, because I don't have a scanner here. It's at my shop, so I can't scan it to clear the code. And so we're just gonna wait 15, 20, 30 minutes, whatever, go inside, have a drink, maybe a snack, wait on that, and then we'll come out and start it up. And we will know if that mass airflow sensor, cleaning it, made a difference. If not, we're just gonna run up to Advanced. They have one in stock. Just replace the mass airflow sensor, and if that doesn't clear up that misfire, then we change plugs. Nissan coils, like the actual coil packs, are not known for failing. They're known for being like good. So we're just gonna wait on that. Actually, in the meantime, let's see if we can get my race car started, because I haven't been able to start it for a couple of days. My battery was going dead, so I went and got my battery charged. I'm gonna try to put this thing together real quick. If you go to Advanced, and those guys are nice enough, they actually have a trickle charger there. So I just dropped it off yesterday and left it overnight. Nice guys. So we're just gonna pop this guy in here. We've had issues with it because I had it tested thinking it had maybe a dead cell or something like that. It turns out that it was just really low on cranking amps, which could possibly be the reason that the car wouldn't crank. So what I'm gonna do now, put my terminals on real good. and see if it'll crank. It'd be super sick if it did. So we definitely have enough power for it. Adam, come here real quick.
Yep.
Go turn the key. Go like, wait till I tell you to. And then go ahead and turn the key. All right, stop. Good. All right, we still do not have spark. So, let me see. Apparently these H series distributors are known for the igniters going bad. So tomorrow what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the junkyard and go pull the parts for the igniter out of an H series and see if I can rebuild my factory distributor, because I've got two different like Chinese knockoff ones, and apparently these H series are super finicky to the to what they need. They're super finicky to OEM. So we'll just do that tomorrow. I'll go get those. I'll return these two to Amazon, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, boys, time for the first start with the new test pipes. Let's see what's up here. It's definitely louder back here. Not ignorant. I'll give it a couple reps. That exhaust leak is still there.
Yeah.
It's not much louder.
I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it.
Yeah. I think it sounds good. I mean, we're still gonna go through. That exhaust leak is freaking ridiculous. Like, where's it coming from? I think it's coming from that freaking flex joint, man. We just need to go get it on the lift at the exhaust shop and see what they have to say about it. It's on this side. It's that flex joint. I can hear it, like, it's sitting right there. They're in. All right, guys, sorry. I put the camera down for a minute. Well, a long minute. In that minute, I have successfully sanded the whole Civic with 220. Trunk, sides, roof, and this door frame and top half of this door. I need to do this quarter panel and the bottom rocker, and this whole thing will be 220'd. Ready for primer. I still got to do all of this in here and get rid of all that and get it all black. And then Bella's car, her driver's side headlight just stopped working the other day. Turns out that I just took it all apart, checked all the connectors, checked the fuses. Turns out that the connector was not all the way pushed together. Pushed it together, boom, it works. And then over here, I'm working on every single car at our house right now. Over here, Adam's car that we did the test pipe on this morning, we went and got a new mass airflow sensor. The battery is resetting currently, so we're just gonna wait and then start it up so that code will be cleared, and we will see about this mass airflow sensor making a difference. That is a brand new OEM one. Hitachi makes them. That's exactly what we got. That is the OEM part, so there shouldn't be any issue with that. And with that being said, boys and girls, I am dog tired, and I gotta go get Bella a spare tire because there were 4 different nails in her freaking car, in her tire, and it's just on the donut. So I gotta go to Lakeland. I gotta drive like 30 minutes, go get that, bring that back, put it on, and then I still gotta go to work tonight. Y'all don't realize how hard I work to make these videos. I've been out here going since like 10 o'clock this morning, and underneath these cars, fixing all these cars. It's just like, it never stops. And granted, I enjoy it, and I enjoy making these videos, but damn, it's a lot of work. So if you've made it this far, please
drop down in the comment section and tell me your favorite cereal. Algorithm. More comments, more likes, more views. It all works inside. So go down in the bottom section, tell me your favorite cereal. Please give this video a thumbs up if you love me, if you care about me, and if you want to see me succeed. I really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because like 70% of my viewers are not subscribed. And the bell icon is how you get notified that I put a video out. So without further ado, please comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that button, and I will see y'all on the next episode of Hudson's Got a Migraine, has got to work on a car. Peace out. I will see y'all on the next one.